Okay. New video na naman, horror. Let's say another horror game which is from an Indonesian game. Indonesian ba siya? Basta dito sa laron to ay nagde-deliver lang tayo. Okay. Some gamit sa mga bahay-bahay para tayong delivery rider. Yan, sa madaling salita. Kaya panoorin nyo to. Ang ganda ng story, legit. Gusto ko yung story na to, pre. Kaya mag-subscribe ka na kung ayaw mo mahati ng aking katan. Obsessed Trace. Ito yung Indonesian gano'y horror game. Team Days Aren't Me. My child is sick. Okay? I have to take care of him. I have to be by his side. Ito ba yung connection sa ano? Connected ba to sa fried rice? Valeria is the child of my best friend and she lives alone. I suggested Valeria replace me working at the Ito yung nag-ano pa rin tayo ng fried rice eh. Hello, Mar. Valeria accepted it. She thought she could save up for her future. Hindi na. I felt sorry for her because she had no one else. Ano what time pasok? I already consider her like my old biological child. Di ko na matandaan na nangyari sa fried rice. On the first day she worked despite her very young age. A few days later, she disappeared. She only left a blood stain on the floor of my fried rice stall. Weeks after that, there was no more news of Valeria's whereabouts. I feel guilty. Guilty si kuya. May babae ba tayo, lalaki? Furthermore, my child could not be saved. I live alone. I have no one left. I hope you are still alive, Valeria. I hope you're still waiting for me. And I hope I can find you. Delivery. Ano lang tayo? Deliver pala to. Delivery pala tayo dito. Every month dapat umiinom. Hindi. Mali yan, pare. Aria, October 15. Wow! Why is the gate closed? I have some remaining packages that need to be delivered to a few houses in this house complex. In that case, I'll have to leave my car and deliver this package on foot. Okay. Dapat ang inom nyo, pre. Isang taon lang. Isang beses sa isang taon, pre. Okay, home address. Block B4. Block B4. C numbers. C02. B4. Paano ko malalaman to, pre? Wala ba nakasulat? Ay, mga pa ako nito, man. Si Ryan. Ryan ang pangalan ng recipient natin. Asa yung addresses? Wala na. Hello? Sir?
Nilalagay ko nga sa Tumblr yung akin, tas pinapasok.
I think this is the house address. Okay. Hanapan lang talaga ng halaga, pre. Knock, knock. Delivery. Delivery. Oh, wala. Ayun na. Sir, ikaw ba si Ryan? Excuse me, sir. What is it? Package mo, malamang. Hindi ka ba nag-ano ng order? I want to deliver a package for you. Package? Alright, I forgot. I ordered a package. Ano ba yan? Yan. Hold on, sir. Could I ask you for a favor? Ask for what favor? I want to record myself opening this package as evidence in the case the item doesn't match my order, but I'm alone at home. Could I ask you to film me? Could I ask you to film me while I open this package? Hindi mo kayang patong na lang yung cellphone niya pre habang nire-record. I will record it. In that case, please come in, sir. You kinda suspicious, ah. What if you do something, bad, ah? Wait, I will go get my phone. Hold R to record. What? Buksan mo na. Ano yan? Ano yan? Uy, buksan mo na! Is it recording? Yes! Kanina pa naka-record! Dali, ano yan? Happy New Year, Haruko. Uy! Boss, parang tao yung... Box yan, ah. Pwede bang gentle lang? Ano binubuksan? Thank you sa heart, me. O, ano laman? Uy! Ano, Ryan? Thank you, sir, for helping me. This is the first time I've ordered from a different app. So I was a little doubtful about the contents of the package. But it turns out the item is fine. There's no damage and it matches my order. Once again, thank you, sir, for helping me film. You're welcome. I'm just doing my job. Di ka nagbayad, sir. Yung gate mo. Ako na magsasara. Sige na. Napa-weird naman yun. Di ba dapat picture lang? Kung ang paraan para tumangkad sa bagong tayo tumalon, paano naman pag gusto kong lumiit? Ba't gusto mo lumiit, pre? Ayun ang tanong. Bakit gusto mo lumiit? A, number 08. A1A, number 08. Number 8. Totoo ba yung 12 grapes? Ay, ginawa ko yan. Ginawa ko yung 12 grapes na yan eh. Ginawa ko yung 12 grips na yan. Tingnan natin kung kalalabasan na. Ano yan? Number what? Tuwa tayo, pre. I think this is the house address.
Yung 12 grape.
Knock, knock! Delivery po! Oo, may bago. Nga pala, ngayon mo lang nakita naman. Tao po!
Parcel Kuya Asan.
Parcel! Pangalan nung babae, Leah. I have a package to deliver in Leah's name. Is that you? Ikaw ba si Leah? Is that you? Of course, it's me. Why did you come so late? I've been waiting since afternoon.
Kuya Parcel ko Asan.
I apologize. Such a slow service. Diniliver na nga. Wala man lang Hello, sir? Huh? What are you doing at my girlfriend's house? Nag-deliver ako! You're the side piece. What? O dyan, nag-deliver lang. Naging ano pa? I'm just a person trying to deliver a package. Who are you? Who am I? What kind of question is that?
Jealousy yan siya.
I'm her boyfriend. Just her boyfriend? I don't care. Of course you don't care. You don't have a girlfriend. You don't have a wife. Where is your wife, old man? Shut your mouth! Oy! Grabe naman to, pre. Nag-deliver lang, naging kabit pa. What are you doing?
What the hell?
Ba't nawala?
Si Adam.
Asan yung jowa mo? Kaki, nawala yung jowa niya, pre. What the hell was that? Baka multo yun, pre, no? O kaya, stalker ng Leah. Hoy! Who's that? Ay!
Mag-hello si parents sa Twemmer. Wala
My
po
car
akong
tire?
jowa.
Flat? What did he do? I need a pump, but I need to deliver the last package first. I think this is the house address. Bukas pa yung gate o sira lang? Delivery! Sir? Uy!
Baka baliktad effect sa akin. Di ko kasi ginawa kaya minalas ako.
I have a
at
package to
syempre pa.
deliver in Farrell's name.
Watermelons
Is that you?
daw.
Si Tama?
Wag spam
But
na
I can
copy
receive
na
that
game
package
eh.
in instead.
Lala ng paukan may defense agad.
This package must be received by Farrell. I will wait here until Farrell comes and accepts the package. Napakano naman nating delivery, pre. Dapat, strict naman. He's not coming home tonight. He will come tomorrow. Alright then. Yun na yun? Parang yun na lang din sa fried rice. Ay, hindi pa tapos ba? Tapos na ata.
Obsessed.
Nakaplat
Nakapon
ako eh.
game name.
Flat Hindi tayo pre.
Nakapi.
Ay, okay. Meron doon nakaupo kanina eh. May pambomba doon sa tabi niya. Sir, pwede bang ask about the pump? Did he start me, Excuse me, sir. That pump? Could I borrow it? Kailangan namin kasi flat yung gulong ko eh. What for? Ano what for? Di magbabomba ako! Ano ba yan? Someone intentionally deflated my car. Come in and take it. Di ba flat tayo? Paano natin babomba niya? Flat nga. May butas nga yung gulong. Tignan nga natin kung gagana tong pambomba. Nahabol ko sa laro tapos may nag-send ng donut. Ganyan yung ginagawa nila eh. Hello, Rafa.
Game name. Obsessed phrase.
Okay na?
Name ng game.
Done. Are you sure you don't know the person who
Obsessed
deflated
phrase.
your tire?
Pangalan ng laro.
I didn't
Obsessed
manage
phrase.
to see their face. They ran when I got close. I don't know what their goal was. Are you alone in that car? Yes, why? Have you ever met that child in that missing poster? Sino, si Arkan? What do you mean? What is inside your car? I am just a package delivery guy. I am not what you think.
QNG. Shift back on nursing.
Actually, the reason this gate was closed was because of what happened last week.
Obsessed phrase.
Kidnapping?
Ano game, ha?
That 10-year-old boy was still not found. Some said maybe he was kidnapped by some ghost. I don't know what happened. But I'm sure he won't be found. What about the police? Ano nangyari? Anong ginawa ng police? They still haven't been able to find the culprit. And my child? They still haven't been able to find my sweet baby. Ay, anak niya yung nawawala. Nawawala yung anak niya. Sorry, sir. Valeria. There's one package left in the car, but the address isn't in this housing complex. I can deliver it tomorrow. I need to go home and rest. Before sleeping, I want to have a smoke first. Ay, bawal yan. Bawal yan, parts. Kaso wala tayong choice eh. Di na, sleep right away na tayo. Healthy living tayo, pre. Huwag ka na huwag ka na ganyan. Hello? The kidnapper people we're talking about. Is he the kidnapper who abducted Valeria too? Valeria, it's been 5 months. I don't know where you are. I only saw blood on the floor. But until now, I don't know whose blood it was. This is my fault. Sino nga ba si Valeria? Ito si Valeria! Ay, pati. Wala na ata siya eh. Help. Why didn't Uncle Arya help me? Arya? Uncle Arya? Ito ata yung sa fried rice eh. Di ba siya yung nagbebenta nung sa fried rice? Why did Uncle Arya leave me alone here? Why? Uy! Stop. Hey, yo. Ay, shit, i-start me ah. Chill lang, Barrera, chill. Kaya, pingin na sa'yo, pare. I just wanted to buy medicine for mom. That person is always watching me.
2,026 na may mapansin pa rin sa ponsel.
Stop. Don't do that. Kitty, start me ah. Good evening. Oh no. That dream again. Huff. Ano yung huffed? That's Valeria's poster. Valeria, where are you really? I hope you are still alive. Valeria. Place it on the kitchen table. Victor, October 12. Grabe naman yung sopa na yan. Wala ba sa pinto? Kitchen table.
Naglaro ka na nga dyan, mang nagdag-aaway lang kami.
Asa yung kitchen? Ito pala. Hello, Kat. Good evening. Sinusumpo. This must be enough for them. Take the pot.
Parang gusto ko linisin yung bahay nila, oh.
Parang kailangan natin maglinis sa bahay na to, pre.
Di
ba ano to? Kinakain to?
sa pera.
Parang masarap to, pre. Put water in the pot. Am I late? Almost 30 minutes pa lang ako.
Goreng.
Wow. Someone i-start me, ah. Okay. Sarap! Yummy food, pare. Yummy food.
Bahay, ha?
Kaya nga eh. Tignan nyo yung sopa. Ano yan, pre? Di ba may gantong flavor, pre? Yung gantong itsura. Uy! May kitty sa treasure box. Maraming salamat. Please, thank you kay Kiki, maraming salamat, Kiki. I will grab 3 plates while waiting for the noodles to cook.
Alam, pa treasure box, salamat po.
Dito nakalagay yung plates natin? What? 3 plates, di ba? Wow, sarap. Parang, naamoy ko siya, pre. Naamoy ko siya. Go to the bedroom. Okay. Wait! Bakit ganyan sila? Hindi ba tayo normal?
Kulang sa pansin.
Hindi ba normal yung buhay natin? Like, may something. Okay lang kayo, pre? Time to eat. I have cooked noodles for both of you. Bakit ito yung kidnapper? Ito ating kidnapper yung gamit natin ngayon eh. Kain kayo. Baka niya si Valeria tsaka yung anak nung hihiniraman natin yung pambomba. Ano, kakamayin ko yung noodles?
Mute ko na tong isa iba na jokes niya. Ano na nangyari?
Hello? What?
Ang pangit ng rebuttal. Halatang atabs.
Sugar daddy.
Kakasimula ng bagong...
Ay! What the fuck, pare? Nagalit siya! Hindi kumain ng noodles kasi! Okay, sino tayo ngayon?
Set, sumagot ang buring, tuloy makiaway.
Wala kasing tinidor. Wala kasing tinidor eh. Dilim naman masyado dito. Missing. Ito na tayo ata yung mismong yung kanina. Yung character natin na ano. Nagde-deliver ng package. Familiar yung game. Meron siyang ano, tatlo ata to. Tatlo ata yung parang series ng game na to. Tatlo or dalawa? Ay, siya ba? Tiisa Heart Me. Ay na, Tiisa Heart Me. Good evening. Wait, saan ba ako pupunta? Wala ka atras? Okay, tigil na. Koskosan. Pak Bagus. Arya, October 16. This is my last delivery stop for tonight. Okay.
Anime naman profile.
Yan, Tiisa Heart Me Ay, isa glow stick tsaka sa ice cream. Maraming salamat. Cost 011. Okay, let's go. Recipient name, Kevin. Ikaw ba si Kevin, sir? Hindi. Hindi si Kevin. 011. 011 pala. 011? Pinataas yun. Ano daw? Balik tayo ngayon yung delivery kanina. Deliver, ano. Ito. Yung nagluluto ako ng pansit, parang pansit kanina. Ayun yung kidnapper. Sobrang ano naman dito, ang sikip. Boss? Delivery po! Wala ba silang doorbell? Kevin. Ma'am, I already told you. I will pay the dorm rent next week. I promise. Ay, Tiisa Heart Me. Tiisa Heart Me. Please don't kick me out. I don't have anywhere else to live. I will definitely pay. Wala kang pambayad ng rent mo pero may Shopee ka? Excuse me? Oy! Pambayad ka ba dito? Sorry sir, I thought you were the owner of this dorm. It's okay. 009 naman tayo. Stress natin mga moderator natin, pre. Knock knock! Parcel mo? Wala na, binuksan ko na. Kay Mira, si Mira. Hello Mira! Can I help you with something? Di ba nakita may dala akong box? I want to deliver a package. Oh yes, that's my package. I didn't expect the package to arrive this quickly. Even though I only ordered it last night. Hello Jewel. Thank you. Recipient name Ardan. Sir!
Mangbabash lang ako dito sa gilid.
Are you Ardan? Finally, my package is here. I was just about to go to sleep.
Mas madami pa akong
Thank you for
naaway sa
being on
concept
time, sir.
Kaysa IRL.
I'm going to open this package right away and
Wait,
use it.
nung pala kang may ngipin?
010 sa pinakataas kay Reva. Delivery po. Why is no one answering? Hello? Hello?
Mas
Is there no one
madami pa
here?
ako naaway sa live mo kaysa IRL. Nakapin game name.
Wala talaga Hello, wala talaga? Pwede bang iwan ko na lang dito? I will ask the tenant of room 011. Maybe he knows where the tenant of room 010 went. Sino nga ba yung ano dito? Yung pinakaunang delivery natin ata.
Spam na ate kanina. Paki-DM sa akin ano yung front na may ngipin please.
Excuse me for bothering you. Do you know where the tenant of room 010 is? Is she inside? You mean Reva? Yes, it says Reva on this package. Do you know where she is? Sorry sir, I haven't seen her for several days now either. Did you see the person who is smoking downstairs? As far as I know, he is close with Reva. Try asking him. Okay. Baka nawawala din yun. Baka nawawala din si Reva. Sir, wait lang! Excuse me. I wanted to ask, what is it? This package belongs to the tenant of room 010. But when I knock on her door, nobody answered. I asked the tenant of room 011, and he said you and Reva are close, right? If you don't mind me asking, where is Reva? I need to deliver this package to her. At campus. Reva and I are in the same class, but I don't know where she is. Rachel Tiisa Heart Me. Besides, that's none of my business. Maybe she's out with her boyfriend. Alright, if that's the case, I will just put this package in front of her door. But pwede pala yun? Sipag nasa campus ng gantong oras. Sorry for bothering you. Okay. How did it go, sir? He doesn't know either. I'll just leave the package in front of the door. Maybe she will return in a few hours. So, okay. Okay.
Hear me out kay sir.
Para siyang ano. Oy! Bukas yung pinto. Why is the door open? Ba, ito yung ano ba, mamaya? Ito yung kidnapper. Ay! Puka!
Dami na parang ads.
Open!
Ganito sa
Hey!
kay Kylie
Open
sa
the door!
May ngipin hahaha.
Are you okay? Your face is covered in... Ayun na nga. Open the door. What is it now, sir?
Ang inang yun.
What are you doing? I see someone inside this room. May kulang pa ata yun. Okay, wait lang ah. The room door is closed and locked. How could it be open? The door opened by itself. Maybe you are tired, sir. Sometimes exhaustion causes strange hallucinations. Hulul, di nga nagbayad ng rent mo eh. Ah! Ano ba yan? Can you stop knocking doors and walk normally without making a sound, sir?
TikTok premium dito.
I'm playing a game, and I thought your footsteps sounded like the enemy's footsteps. I apologize, I was doing my job.
Ikaw di yan.
Valorant ng Valorant siguro si Kuya, hindi marinig yung footstep. Kay Clara, 006. Ito dito yung sa taas ng ita ko kanina.
Yan ba sinasabi nila na sariling multo?
Sarili multo. Parang kamukha niya yung kanina, ano. What do you want?
Sarap ng...
Ayaw mo ng package mo, ba't galit ka? Please leave her. Leave here. I haven't finished the ritual. Ritual? I just want to deliver this package. Your name is Clara, right? Clara. I never ordered a package. Then what is this? Huh? Ano ritual? If you're indeed the package delivery guy, go to room 003 then place my package inside there. But the address is room 006. Just do it, I beg you. How do I get in there? The door must be locked, right? The key is under the stairs. But parang may ginagawang ritual yung babae, si Clara. Tapos, papunta tayo 003. Mamaya gagawin tayong alay nito ah. Where? I only see a cat here. Chicken bone daw. So dito. Yan, nagbag ako dito eh. Ay, madilim ba? Hindi ko pala nabuksan yung flashlight. Wala pa chicken bone? Ito, chicken bone. Hello po sa... Salamat. Okay, room number 003. Dito ata. Ito to. Hello from Philippines. Ba't may missing? Sabi ko na may something dito eh. May something talaga sa ano na to, sa room na to, pre. Hoy! Shh! Yo, nalis na ako. Sabi ko na! Sorry to bother you. That missing child? Who is it? Your child? He's my little brother. This is the second time I've seen a missing child poster. You mean there's another little child who went missing? Yesterday, when I delivered a package to one housing complex, there were lots of missing child posters there. And the missing child poster I saw on the table just now is different from the poster from yesterday. So, what are you doing here? Didn't you live in room 006? None of your business. Baka ginagamit niya yung mga bata pang alay sa ritual niya, pre. Hindi ba maganda, pare? Hindi maganda yun. Ah, may isa pa. Another package. I only had 5 packages left tonight. But may isa pa. Eto na tayo. Pop, ting isa ado pre sa gifts. Maraming salamat. Yan na ting isa art niya.
Hello, kid. Greetings from Australia.
From Australia. I already delivered 5 packages. Then whose package is this? May nakalagay na. May nakasulat to. The recipient's name isn't written but the address. Kamukha si Manny Pacquiao. Manny? I know where this address is. Anong address yan? Saang address yan, sir? Hello, Levi. Did someone intentionally create this package? Why is the package
Parang
addressed to
pinakot ang
Valeria's...
mukha eh.
Si Valeria yung nawawalang babae. Is Valeria there? This place is so quiet. I haven't even been here again since that incident. I moved to a new rented place. Okay, deliver na natin yung package. GG Manga 04. Manga? GG Manga? Mulan ha? Hala, ito nga yung ano. Hindi ba ito yung ano, yung may nagsuntukan? This is the house. The electricity must be off. I guess there is no one inside there. But why? Why is the package address here? Bakit may nagsuntukan, pre? Sa likod nito may tindahan. Dito yung may nagsuntukan, pre. The door is locked. I need something to open this door. Ito, ano to? A paperclip is not enough. I have to find one more. Buti kang hirap na mahanapin yan. Ay, meron palang flashlight. Never mind. Saan ako maghanap ng paperclip, pre? Doon lang din? Dilim eh, no? Ay! Sino yun? Paperclip. Baka may paperclip din dito. Kaya nga, hindi kasi na... Ito. Ang hirap mahanap ng paperclip ang mga napaka ano eh. Sino kaya yung tumakbo na yun? Hold E. Hold C. Wow! Wow! Hello? There's no one here. Who is the person who actually ordered this package? Baka mamaya multo na si Valeria. Hindi. Nakidnap nga si Valeria eh. Duling ka dun, Nak. P6 nga daw yan, pre. Wala namang sagad na, you know, sabay na sabay sa movement ko yung flashlight. Hindi daw realistic. Actually, what is inside this package? I have to open it. Hindi, manga yung mismong ano, address. I need a knife. Ito, knife oh. Oh, diba? Let's not see his heart niya. Okay na. Ano ang laman? Mamaya, katawan ng tao yan ha.
Ikaw pa talaga mag-unbox.
Ako na mag-unbox yan. Ay nako.
Delay yung flashlight.
Ulo? Grabe kayo. Boss, ang tagal naman nakapan sa mukha nito eh, hindi naman yan titignan natin. There's nothing inside this pa... Uy, wala daw laman.
Guess ko lang.
Except? Except what? A piece of paper. There's writing on this paper. Is this someone's name? Victor?
Lang yung laking box yun lang laman.
Victor! 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 Sino yan? Ayun, may Victor oh! Hindi nyo nakita yung sumisilip, pre. Sa mga naka-landscape lang pala makikita. May tao sa likod ko, Pards. Sino yan nakangiti pa?
Di ba si
Uy!
Victor nung nagtinda?
Gogi, angas yung John Wick, pre! Answer me! Angas naman nun! What are you doing here? Puchang lupit.
You angas.
I know where Valeria is. Okay. What do you mean? What do you mean, ha? I know the person who is with
Sundan
Valeria.
na siya eh.
Ba't ang bagal? Ho! Ang tagal naman nung subtitle na to. His name is written inside that package. Victor? Yes, in that package. I'm the one who made it and put it inside your car. I deliberately wrote this house's address because it is Valeria's house. 5 months ago, I came to your fried rice stall, but it turned out Valeria was running the fried rice stall. Victor, my old school friend, he really liked Valeria. I casually took a picture of Valeria and sent the photo to Victor. Ikaw may kagagawan eh. But after that, after what? I don't know. I don't know what Victor did. I was just joking. I only wanted to cheer him. because his grandmother had just passed away at that time. I didn't know that Victor had gone crazy. Where is Victor? May tama siya, pre, may tama. I don't know before he lived with his grandmother, but after that incident, I don't know where he lives now. I went to his grandmother's house a few days ago, but there was no one there. After 5 months have passed? Why are you only telling me now? Forgive me. If only I hadn't taken her picture that day, Victor definitely wouldn't have gone there. Please, forgive me. Saksay mo! Kill tama or don't kill tama, pare. Hindi, huwag natin patayin, pre, kasi 2026 dapat mabait tayo sa mga tao ngayon, pre. Don't kill, don't kill. Okay, okay. Mabait na tayo, mabait. You didn't kill me? I don't know. I feel like it's all my fault. It's all because I'm the one who told her to work in my fried rice shop. No, it's not your fault, sir. It's Victor's fault. We have to find him. We have to catch Victor and save Valeria. She must want to go home and see you.
Pangalan niya. Langya.
Thank you, son. I will let you know if I meet a person named Victor. Oh, tiyan na to. Ay, ito pala yung kidnapper. Ito si Victor. Ito si Victor. Okay. Tanda ko na yung nangyari dun sa night, yung fried rice na yun. Are you sure you can successfully run away from here? What if he wakes up? He will surely try to kill you. Like, I definitely can. Hindi, ganito na tayo mag-voice actor. Dapat iba na yung boses, pre. I can't stay here forever. Once I manage to escape, I will look for help. Paano mo naman tubig naman? Anonymous po na yun pala. Ba't parang hindi ako mga bata, pre? Eto si Nathan o si Arkan? Ha? Nathan tsaka Arkan? Nasaan si Valeria? We can definitely get out of here. And meet our parents again. Huwag mong bubuksan, pre. Baka nasa ibalugan si Valeria. Ay, tayo na si ano? Tayo si Nathan. Ito naman si Arkan. Remember, don't make a sound. Walk slowly and don't make a noise. Hold shift to walk silent. Labas na pa tayo, pre? Escape. I need a key. Ay, yung susi, oh. That wooden bar, but I can't reach it. I need something I can climb on. Asa ba si Arkan? Arkan, huwag kang duwag! Sumama ka sa akin! Ito nga. I have to move the dispenser first. Pucha, bigat ka na. Hindi ba tayo marinig yan, pre? Take a breath. Oh, ano na? Lakas mo naman, Nathan. Huwag kang maingay.
Wow, ang lakas na buhat.
Lakas mo, Nathan. Gagi ka. Ay, wow!
Hindi nakikita niya pa daan.
Buti stealth mode, no? Ang galing na ito, ah.
Lakas lang ya. Nang yan, haha.
Dapat hinampas na lang. Pwede yun nating hampasin ng kaldero na lang si Victor, pre. Ay!
Kaiba ang lakas.
Di ko na-hold yung ship ko! But parang feeling ko, pag bukas natin ng pinto, magigising to si ano. Asa na si Arkan? Wala ka, duwag ka, ayaw mo tumakas, ha?
Ihampas sa tulog. May jump scare yan, feel ko. Hampasin muna para matapos na.
Just wait, pre. Ang bagal mo. Tumakas ka na.
Feel ko si Kit lilipad. Pinatong lang talaga mukha lang, yahaha. Eto yung tatakas na mahuhuli pa, Kines. Hindi ba naman magkakulay sa batok? Bugo naman. Ba't ang tanga naman tumakas?
Dari. O sino to? Tayo na si ano. There are several packages addressed to this housing complex. Si Arya, dito na tayo sa main character natin, pre. But the rest are not here. So magdi-deliver. Baka ang dami natin di-deliveran na.
Brody,
Block A, Block B. Dito tayo sa Block B. Block B. B1. Tama ito, B1. Delivery. Ano kaya nangyari dito sa dalawa, no? Delivery. Kenji, sir. Ayun, narinig. Who are you?
Block A.
Oh, a package delivery person, right? Yes, a package for Kenji. Is that you? That's right. How did you know? Huh? If the address matches, the person must also match,
Wow,
right?
si Sam Concepcion.
Just kidding. Lakas mo mag-joke. Kunin mo na yun. Nagsasalita si Kenji. Dapat ganun tayo magbasa ngayon, pre. May iba ng boses, pre. Si April naman! There is a package address to April. Is that you? Oh, a package. Yes, that's my package. Actually, I already
Dalawa ng
canceled this
deliver.
package. But, oh well,
Para
it's
sa mga
fine.
di pa nakakapag-follow.
Ayos ba yung ano, yung...
Bro, Bon,
Ayos, no?
iba-iba din ng boses pag ibang tao.
Ayos ba, pre? Putra, babae ba to? Sounds like someone is
Ayan,
knocking.
LPL 25
Yes.
na.
Wait a moment. Hindi ba ba't si Putra nagsalita? Nico pangalan. Want some coffee? No need. I just want to deliver this package. Package?
Bawal.
I didn't order any package, sir. Didn't order? But the address matches and your name is
Ayaw.
Nico, right? Wait, who is the package for? Nico? I'm sorry, sir. I'm not Nico. My name is Putra.
Dapat pag nasayaw tuloy pa din ng script.
Are you serious? You didn't order this package under the name Nico? That's right, sir. I didn't order it. Oh, Nico. I think I know. You should be living in apartment D1. I'm sorry then. It seems there was a mistake in the address. Eto, the block D. Ito, layo naman. Pang GMA level yung yun. Ba't GMA level lang? Wala pa tayo sa ano, pre. Wala pa tayo sa pang-anime. What is it, sir? Is your name Nico? Yes. What is it, sir? Haven't you even ordered a package before? Why did you write the address wrong? Are you stupid? I'm sorry, sir. I don't know. I don't understand what do you mean. You wrote the address wrong on this package. The address you wrote was C1, not D1. I apologize, sir. I was rushing when I ordered that package.
Grabbing delivery driver yan.
I was so excited because it's something I've
May
wanted
gawing
forever.
hilaryo.
Yun na yun? Hindi ka man lang nag-thank you sa akin.
Kakapag-
Kailangan ko na mag-isip ng mga boses, no? Tagal ah! Ito na. Sorry, sir. Is there anything I can help you with, sir? I want to deliver a package for Adriel. A package for me?
Oh, si Ma.
Oh, yes! Finally, it's here! After all this time. By the way, this is a gift for my child. Okay. Yun na yun. Kala ko naman, sobrang haba. Kala ko mapapalaban ako dun, pre. Tara naman, si Tara.
Era mo.
Tara o Tara?
Boses naman ni Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse ang mala. Putik, nawawala na naman ng internet yung phone ko. Dito. Okay, dito. Tapo. Tara? Ito na.
Grabe mga
Is there anything I
bagay
can help you with? I want to deliver this package. It's addressed to Tara. Is that you? Yes, that's right. Why was it only sent today? I apologize. I have done my best to ensure the package arrives quickly. It's okay. Salamat. There are 3 remaining packages left that are not in this area.
Dumi
Oh.
plop plop.
I have to leave immediately and deliver them tonight. Drive na naman ako. Hindi. Kala ko magdadrive na naman eh. May ganito lugar kaya sa Pinas? I have to leave my car here. What is this place? Why is it so quiet? This is the only package. This is the only one package address to this location.
Sa Squid Game
Address
na 8.
to Uncle Arya. Valeria! Uy, si Valeria nagsalita! Valeria, where are you? Valeria! Ay, what? Damn it.
Si Victor nung stalker.
I dropped the package. Cake tuloy. Put the drop item into the box. Ano to? This? Poison? Poison? What? What if ulo? Wala na, huli ka na. Poison na nakalagay, oh. Close the package and deliver it. Poison?
Dangit.
Poison, ibig sabihin, si Victor siguro to. All these poison ingredients.
Hala nilaglag. Saraw yan
What
inumin
are
mo.
they for? Si Victor nga siguro pa. Victor! Victor nga! O, Joke 02. O, tsaka Victor. Yari ka sa amin, Victor. What is this concrete barrier for?
Eto na.
Victor! Humanda ka, Victor! O, Joke 02.
Ba't andyan pinsan ko?
It looks like this is his house. Victor! Victor! Victor!
Victor labas.
Dili mo naman! Excuse me, I want to deliver this package. Your name is Victor, right? That's correct.
Daheli.
Give me the package, then
Sharon
quickly
sa
leave
pinsan
here.
ko. Victor.
Hindi ba natatandaan ni Arya?
Ano ba yan?
Pre! Ayun yung Victory! Wala ka, hindi mo natandaan? Di ba pinag-usapan nila kapag may nakita tayong Victor na pangalan, pre? Ay nako, Arya, hinayaan mo. Wala pala tayong gagawin. Kala ko may pagsuntukan na tayo. Hello, Ben. Hello, Nadine. Kala ko may pagsuntukan na. Tandaan mo yung Victor! Victor? Ay na. Is he the Victor that person was talking about?
Nagka-amnesia.
His name is Victor. Could he be the Victor who kidnapped Valeria? Ayun na. Come on. Is Valeria inside that house? If I'm not mistaken, I think I heard Valeria's voice just now. Laro yan niya.
Nagulat ako sa pumasok tuloy.
Ano nangyari?
Si Victor
I have to go
nasa
back
likod
there
ko.
immediately. Ayan na! Suntukan na to!
Uy, kalma ka lang.
Labas ka nga doon.
Mo.
Wala si Valeria doon eh. Wala doon sa ano eh. Knock knock! Si Nathan tsaka si Arkan ang nandun. What do you want? I already told you, please
Lock
leave
na
here.
lock in siya eh. Nakatabi ko.
Gusto ko mag-borrow the toilet. Ay, we can't! Ask about Valeria agad? Bawal tayo Do you know about the girl who went missing 5 months ago? Who? Her name is Valeria. Do you know? I don't know. Can you leave here? I'm very busy. Are you alone? Yes, I'm alone. There's no one else here.
We are cooked.
Ang bogo mo talaga. Sana nang hiram ka ng liar! I know who you are.
Langis
You,
ka.
open the door. Or I will break down this door right now. Buksan mo!
Suspicious pa yan siya oh.
Sirahin mo! Break the door!
Lumabas mo ng gate bago sumigaw ha.
Valeria!
Eksena ka.
Are you
Kulit
inside?
ng karak mo.
Open it! Open the door! I just want to see Valeria! Open it! Hindi ko kaya nito, pre. Ba't ganun yung sigaw niya, pre?
Tinawanan.
Huh? You guys?
Ingay
You are the children from that missing
Nasigaw
poster.
niya siya.
I already suspected there was something strange in this house. Save the two missing children. Ikaw nakatakas ka na kanina. Ano gagawin ko? Kausapin ko? How do I save them? Ay, ito pala.
Kunwari nagulat. San
Kunwari
si
nagulat.
Victor?
Si Victor nakatago to kaya nagje-jebs. Nasa CR si Victor ngayon, pre. I know where your house is. I will take you away from here. Come on, we must be quick. Ay, Jot, isart ni. He is behind you. Victor, ay na. What are you doing here?
Oh no.
Ay, what are you doing here? Mali pala,
Ayan
Victor
na.
ko, pre. You are a kidnapper! You are the one who kidnapped Valeria too, right?
Gagi kala
Where
ko
is
lagi
she?
nakataliko, maitim pala nuka.
Suntok ka na! Suntoy mo! Gagi, John Wick yan si Arya eh. Nangyari?
Teji na yan si Valeria, I feel it NGL.
Eh! Si Tama ba to? Si Tama? Enough, Victor.
Anyari hahaha.
Oh! Holy! Come to your senses, my friend. This isn't you. Oh! 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 Oh my God! Oh my God! Woo! Alupit! 2v1! 2v1! Oh!
War hell. Lupe HAHAH.
Oh, dyan hinipa ni Nathan, pre!
Sticks nag-aaway. Eye of the Tiger. Mga HAHAHAHAH.
Because you didn't kill Tama, he came and helped you just in time. Ma, ganda naman ang story na to, pre. Victor goes to prison. But, Valeria,
Si Tama hahaha.
si Valeria yung wala.
Ulit ng breadsticks.
Good ending na uwa natin.
Buset na tawa eh. Sinipa sa muka angas.
Siguro pag pinatay natin si Tama, siguro walang magliligtas sa atin.